Okay, so hi guys, it's 7 a.m. and I just finished drinking my coffee and I went outside and I realized um our porch, our backyard is really dirty. So it's actually autumn at the moment and the leaves by the trees are turning yellow, especially on top. And I decided that maybe I should clean this up, all of the leaves. Like look, it's in our garage. Yeah. So I this is what it looks like, the garage. So the reason I'm showing this to you guys is because I don't know where I could put you to show you how I'm gonna clean the garage. So I'm just gonna show you a before and after. So yeah. So this is the final results of cleaning the garage. And this is our backyard after I've cleaned it. It's still not 100% clean, but it looks better now. And maybe this afternoon, after a few hours, it's gonna be filled with leaves again. So it doesn't really matter. Anyway, we're done here. So hi everyone, I'm getting ready to go outside today. Ate Kay, one of our friends here in Tazi, she invited me to go hiking. I forgot the mountain we're gonna go to, but it's not a hard hike, she said. It's a light hike, maybe a few sightseeings, and yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys with me. Yeah, the weather's pretty great as well. I saw it'll be like 21 degrees, really sunny as well. So I'm excited. Okay.
So yan yung katuloy niya, my thoughts.
So we're outside again. Dito kami sa, ano to kuya? Coningham Reserve. This is Kuya Mike. And this is Ate K. Ate K, say hi. And, you know, mag-hiking kami. Oof, look at that. This is the Coningham Beach. This is Mark, one of my classmates. Wow! Ang ganda pa ng weather.
Daw nila ini-store yung mga gears nila.
Ooh.
Pero ang tagal 8 hours.
It's a 2-hour hike. Hopefully we survive this. Definitely can.
Mag-i-start pa lang pala tayo.
Oh.
Tus kasi. Yan yung pang ano ng mga flower.
So, kamusta yung, tita, yung hike? What can you say?
Tingnan ko nga.
What can you say? What can you say?
Yeah. Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Yung trekking, kaya lang pagpaakyat.
5.18 kilometers remaining. Hey, so nandito na tayo sa very top.
This is it.
Congratulations, tita, you made it. May mga cave dwellers joke.
Nalatagan lang ng kumot.
Oh. Oo nga. Tatakpan mo lang. May pataas mo pala. Akala namin top na to. May kangaroo? Saan? Oh, ayan. Oh.
Saan?
Tatago siya.
Tatago siya. Uy, wag ganyan.
Oh, hindi ko siya makita sa phone.
Lapitan mo.
Ayun. If you see.
Wallaby ata.
Ayun.
Wallaby. Mike, kung determine kung wallaby.
Saya yan.
Saya niya.
Hi.
Hello. Hello, what's your name?
Too happy. Get down.
Oh, you want to come with us?
Oh.
O yan, pababa na tayo.
Oh, batas tataas.
Yat.
It's so steep. Tita Adeline is having trouble walking downhill, so they're assisting her. She'll be fine. We're almost down anyway. She needs a bit more time to walk. Okay, we started mga 9:45. Finally here.
Yay, 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 yay.
Final boss, tita. Ito na. Last,
Final na ba talaga?
I think so. Parang mas maganda yung daan dun dito. Dun na lang tayo. Dun na lang tayo. Parang ang hirap dun daan. Hindi na kaya dito. Nag-survive naman, natapos naman, kaya
Success!
success.
2.5 hours.
2.5 hours. Kinaya. Walang problem. Problema lang is, nakakapagod.
Ito na yung fast